A cracked smartphone screen can ruin its repair options. It could ruin your month. This is how to fix a cracked screen on your Huawei P9 Android phone. The cheapest way to fix a broken phone screen is to perform a DIY screen replacement. This is involved, but it is not impossible. You can replace the screen on your phone fairly easily using online tutorials. Sometimes you will need to replace the screen and other times you will only need to replace the glass. Check out this item to fix your Huawei P9. The product link is in the description below. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, please give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.